Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD pair, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the Forex analysis for 16th to 20th February 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in gold USD on Friday. So as you can see, 2.45% positive move, 5041.94 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better trades for this week. Also, if I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week momentum. So let's check a weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a good here bullish candle with a small body and a medium, lower and upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI around 69 level, which is indicating as a slight negative momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only depend on RSI or on the indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Also, if you want to learn trading from me, then you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. Even you can directly get a one-on-one session from me. Given in the link is given in the description. You can directly buy those one-on-one session where I directly teach you how to trade on forex market, even any market that you want to trade. So I always go with the live sessions. So there are no recorded sessions, only live sessions I do with one-on-one session only. So you can directly buy from the link given in the description. You can contact me first on my WhatsApp number as well. Also, these are some important support and resistance zone that I have already marked. So we don't need to mark any levels because these levels were already marked during our previous week analysis. So let's straight away talk about the closing first. So here, 5041 is the closing, and the direct support is 5000 and direct resistance is 5051. After direct support, there is a support of 4940 and then 4895. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 5100 and then 5150. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I've already shared Profirm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Also, I have shared coupon codes or discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. So do check that or use that as well on during the checkout. If you don't know what is funded account or Profirm, I already made a dedicated video on what is Profirm, how it works, what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in gold USD pair for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a positive momentum in this range, that is 5052 5100. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range, even if there is a big gap up opening and we saw a momentum where 5100 gets breached and a 4-hour one-day candle gets closed above this, then you can go for a long till this level as well. But if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 5000 level gets breached and a 4-hour one-day candle gets closed below this, then you can go for a short till 4940. Even this level gets breached, then you can go for 4895 as well. Overall, my expectations are a bit positive in this range for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.